Deputy Commissioner ka East Khas Hill District Lapantip Palapanjinsur Yaga Kyndon Jog Section Shispa South South CrPC Habarok Wake District Yaga Neka Rai Lashim Hadin ke Jingelang Hapring Deputy Commissioner DC ka East Khas Hill USC Sadhu Mat ki Seng San Perthai ki Kertong Shimet Mat ka Senjuk ki Nongsan Charge Nong Kabri Wanyau Trap Habakran Siklar Perthai Kubor DC Lapantip Banakiliang ki Seng San Perthai Perka senjuk kinong san charge nong lapan pau bakim sngo yahap halor ke jing pentrekam ya ke section shispa saupsau CrPC haborok we ke East Khas Hill. Hakaju ko por Deputy Commissioner ulakentu yiki palba ka East Khas Hill ki sengsan perthai man ai ke jinga trelang mat ki bor district man penne ya ke songsuk songsngan hakajala.
So in fact today we had consultative meetings with the representatives of the political parties and the contesting candidates, and even the representatives of various traditional heads. They have also came and expressed their concerns with regard to this imposition of 144, particularly that point number 5 of 144 restricting the processions and rallies across the East Kasif district. So we have taken note of their concerns, and because in the last 2 or 3 days also this is being expressed by different stakeholders. So we have taken decision, in fact, that orders will issue on Monday, but we have taken decision to relax that particular part of 144 order, point number 5, so that they have that part can be relaxed. So at the same time, we have appealed to the political parties to cooperate with the district administration, and then they organize any victory portions to give it in writing in terms of the route that they will take up, and to take measures from their side in terms of deploying volunteers from their side, and taking all measures to ensure that no untoward incident happens during these processions and victory rallies. So at the same time, so what I would like to affirm is that this after consulting with all the stakeholders, we have taken this decision. At the same time, we would like to appeal to all people and all people of the district and political parties is to ensure that they have to support the district administration and cooperate with the district administration in terms of maintenance of the law and order. And if there is any violation in terms of creating any law and order situations or violence, that will be dealt accordingly. Otherwise, that particular point will be relaxed.
Okay, can you tell us that 144 section will be only involved in polling counting area?
In counting area, only in the poll, that counting area.
So not outside?
Not outside. So now that, as I said, that point number 5, which applies to entire East Kasif district, will be revoked, and all other points will remain the same. So, thank you.
Can you tell us, in view of the withdrawal of so what are the additional security measures?
So additional security measures, in fact, in the entire polo area, as we know that which is as per the protocol that law and order has to be maintained. The deployment of CRPF, state police forces will be there to ensure that counting is done peacefully. At the very same time, so as I said, as we had a discussion with the political parties, so we have taken enough measures to ensure that these victory processions should not turn out to be should not lead to any of the untoward incidents. So that kind of measures we have taken by in fact closely working with all stakeholders, including the political parties and traditional institutions and other stakeholders, so that we will ensure that no untoward incident mars our entire election process.
So any undertaking by the parties that when they happen, they will be less responsible?
Yes, in fact, they should. In fact, this is a collective responsibility. As I said, this is a collective responsibility. But we have an assurance from their side that they will take all measures to ensure that their rallies will be peaceful.
Right. Incident.
So landslide incident in Sora subdivision. In fact, it's very unfortunate that 4 people were trapped, and so far 2 bodies could be recovered by our team, and our team from both the fire and emergency services and from SDRF, and including our teams from subdivision are there at this location, and they are trying hard to ensure that because there was a big boulder which caused this landslide, to remove it so that other bodies also can be recovered. So the efforts are still going on.
So any financial assistance?
Yes, in fact, the financial assistance as a part of in the form of ex gratia to the next of kin will be transferred immediately. That is 4 lakhs per victims.
Well, coming back to the
Ni higum to bagala mi ki kot khabar ki social media ti ngi hum gi nong sinsar snong but ni snong bagi don ge tingkat khle khamtam hakba de baka shong sok shong san nyong ka social long bro ko we but ngi dap daga jing lungo long ba pat jujia teng menu kum gani ba hauki week election MLA election ni kham shong shit ndai kum ga MP election you don't get a restriction ban ai ka section 144 nri kan san menta ki ai ti ngi halor kan ni nong rem ni lay perkhat sani bha pat ni ong ba em ni le kan do bat ngin ai ru ga jing tho hiu DC ba ni ngem Sngewtynnad ya kan ni ka hukum bo penmi bat dei ban weng be mar dor ya ka mar balai kani kepenmi ya kijing perkhat ki bobun jaj hakinong song snong but kap wanra ya kijing song ir kijing syaptin tingi nakaliang ka jungi kasunjuk kinong sunsyar snong ka brih nyo trap marbangim don kanu ka jing ya dei bat kanu ka parti san perthai tingis ngau bagadai ka kamram jungi banwan sakmat bat ngila ong ru UDC pe jing shan nadu kasing nongkong shwa ba pen penmi ya kani hukum phila dei ban khot igi ki stakeholders ban ne don lang baling ong yang kata mar lada mi ka e haganu ko por the district administration ni government kinwat shwa yangi habak hadu de mengi ban jingja tinak ta da ba man sim ka ba Sngewtynnad bat kum ki nong sinsar snong di badan ke jikit khle ya garibat ki jak gandre rojong ka kamram jongi bangit wan ni kendu UDC ban ya keren badu te hadin bangila keren badu mentan te ula ai ki ke jingkular jong o ba menta ka janmet ne la bande monde ne ba la pen kela ya ka ni ka hukum ke jong o bo a ban weng no ya ka ni ka section 144 te ai